Welcome back to the channel, your trusted guide to empowering your health and vitality at every age. As we gracefully move into our golden years, many of us start to notice changes, perhaps a little less spring in our step, or a bit more weakness in our legs. It's a natural part of aging, but it doesn't have to define your mobility or independence. Today, we're going to uncover a powerful secret. What if the key to rebuilding strength, supporting your joints, and putting that youthful bounce back into your legs after 60 wasn't just about endless exercises, but about specific foods you eat every day? Imagine nourishing your body from within, providing the essential building blocks it needs to thrive. In this insightful 20-minute guide, we're going to unveil collagen-packed foods that can help rebuild weak legs after 60. You'll discover delicious, science-backed choices that can truly transform your strength, stability, and overall well-being. Get ready to walk, stand, and move with renewed confidence. Before we dive into these incredible foods, if you find this information valuable, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more science-backed health insights, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. A quick disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian before making significant dietary or exercise changes, especially after 60. The challenge after 60, understanding leg weakness. Let's first understand why leg weakness becomes a common concern as we age. It's not just getting old, there are specific biological processes at play. Sarcopenia, muscle loss. This is the age-related loss of muscle mass, strength, and function. After the age of 30, we can lose 3 to 8% of our muscle mass per decade, and this accelerates after 60. This directly impacts leg strength, making daily activities like climbing stairs, getting out of a chair, or walking longer distances much harder. Joint degeneration. Our joints, particularly knees and hips, experience wear and tear over decades. Cartilage, which cushions our joints, can thin, and the surrounding connective tissues, tendons, ligaments, can lose elasticity and strength. This leads to pain, stiffness, and reduced mobility in the legs. Bone density decline. We also tend to lose bone density with age, making bones more brittle, and increasing the risk of fractures, especially in the legs and hips, which can severely impact mobility. Why is maintaining leg strength so crucial after 60? It's directly linked to your independence, quality of life, and safety. Strong legs help prevent falls, allow you to remain active and engage in hobbies, and empower you to live life on your own terms. While resistance exercise is paramount for rebuilding muscle, providing your body with the right building blocks through nutrition is equally vital. And that's where collagen comes in. Collagen, the body's scaffolding for strength and support. Imagine the structural framework that holds your body together. That's essentially collagen. It's the most abundant protein in your body, making up about 30% of your total protein content. It's the primary component of connective tissues, tendons, which connect muscle to bone, ligaments, which connect bone to bone, and cartilage, the flexible tissue cushioning your joints. Muscles. While muscle is primarily made of other proteins like actin and myosin, collagen forms the crucial extracellular matrix within muscles, providing structure, support, and facilitating force transmission. Bones. Collagen forms the flexible framework of your bones, providing elasticity and strength before minerals like calcium are deposited. Why is collagen so critical after 60? Unfortunately, our body's natural collagen production significantly declines with age. This leads to weaker, less elastic tendons and ligaments, thinner cartilage, and a compromised muscle structure. The result? Increased joint pain, stiffness, slower recovery, and reduced muscle power in the legs. By focusing on collagen-rich foods, we can provide our bodies with the raw materials needed to support these vital structures. Beyond collagen, essential supporting nutrients. While collagen is the star, it doesn't work alone. Your body needs specific cofactors to synthesize and utilize collagen effectively. When building your anti-aging meals, remember to include vitamin C, absolutely crucial. Without enough vitamin C, your body simply cannot produce stable collagen. Zinc, important for collagen synthesis and wound healing. Copper, involved in the formation of strong collagen fibers. Manganese, another mineral essential for connective tissue formation. Now, let's explore the delicious foods that will help you pack in the collagen and its essential partners, empowering your legs for years to come. Breakfast 1. Bone broth, the elixir of youthful legs. Our first and arguably most direct source of collagen for rebuilding weak legs is bone broth. This ancient food has made a huge comeback, and for good reason. Why it's fantastic for youthful legs. Direct collagen and gelatin. When animal bones, especially from pasture-raised animals, are simmered for a long time, their collagen breaks down into gelatin, which is rich in amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, the primary building blocks your body uses to create its own new collagen. Amino acid powerhouse, glycine, in particular, is an abundant amino acid in collagen that plays a role in muscle repair, detoxification, and overall tissue health. Joint support, the gelatin and other compounds like chondroitin and glucosamine, though in smaller amounts, are believed to directly support joint health, potentially reducing pain and improving flexibility in arthritic knees and hips. Gut health, bone broth also supports gut lining integrity, which is crucial for nutrient absorption and reducing systemic inflammation that can impact joint health. How to prepare? You can buy high-quality bone broth ready-made, look for brands that use grass-fed or pasture-raised bones and long simmer times, or you can easily make it at home. Simply simmer animal bones, chicken, beef, fish, with vegetables and herbs for 12 to 24 hours. Drink a cup daily on its own, use it as a base for soups, stews, or even cook grains like rice or quinoa in it for an added nutrient boost. Food 2, fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, muscle and joint allies. Next up, a delicious and powerful food that supports not just muscle, but also joint health, which is crucial for weak legs, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. Why it's fantastic for youthful legs. High-quality protein. These fish provide complete protein, supplying all the essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair muscle tissue. This is critical for combating sarcopenia. Omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA. This is where fatty fish truly shine for joint health. Omega-3s are potent anti-inflammatory agents that can significantly reduce joint pain and stiffness, especially in inflammatory conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, but also in osteoarthritis. Less inflammation means more comfortable movement for your legs. Vitamin D. Many fatty fish are also good sources of vitamin D, essential for bone health and muscle function. How to incorporate? Aim for 2 to 3 servings of fatty fish per week. Enjoy baked salmon, grilled mackerel, or even canned sardines, packed in olive oil, on salads or whole grain toast. The healthy fats also contribute to overall cellular health, supporting the integrity of all your body's tissues. Food 3, poultry, chicken and turkey, versatile protein and collagen source. Our third food group brings us to a versatile kitchen staple, poultry, particularly chicken and turkey. Why it's fantastic for youthful legs. Excellent protein source. Chicken and turkey provide lean, high-quality protein, which is absolutely essential for muscle maintenance and growth. Consuming adequate protein daily is one of the best defenses against age-related muscle loss. Collagen content, especially in certain parts. While muscle meat itself isn't pure collagen, poultry bones, skin, and connective tissues are rich in it. Making chicken soup with bones, or even consuming small amounts of well-cooked chicken skin, can contribute to your collagen intake. More specifically, tougher cuts that require longer cooking, like chicken thighs or drumsticks, or even chicken feet, release more gelatin/collagen into your meal. Amino acid profile. Poultry provides amino acids like glycine and proline, which are precursors for your body's own collagen synthesis. How to incorporate? Include lean chicken or turkey breast in your stir-fries, salads, or as a main dish. Don't shy away from cooking with bone-in chicken parts to get more of that natural collagen into your sauces or broths. Make sure you're getting sufficient protein at each meal to support muscle protein synthesis. Food 4, eggs, complete amino acids and collagen boosters. Our fourth powerful food for rebuilding weak legs is the incredible, versatile egg. Why it's fantastic for youthful legs. Complete protein. Eggs are considered a complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids your body needs but cannot produce on its own. These amino acids are the fundamental building blocks for all proteins in your body, including muscle fibers and collagen. Collagen precursors. Eggs are particularly rich in amino acids like proline and glycine, which are crucial components of collagen. Egg membrane collagen. The thin membrane directly under the eggshell actually contains various types of collagen. Type 1, V, X, as well as elastin and hyaluronic acid, all beneficial for joints and skin. While we don't eat the membrane directly, some supplements derive their collagen from this source, highlighting its natural presence. The whole egg contains nutrients that support overall connective tissue health. Biotin and other nutrients. Eggs also provide biotin, important for healthy cells, and vitamin D, if fortified or from pastured eggs, for bone health. How to incorporate? Enjoy eggs for breakfast, scrambled, poached, boiled, or in an omelet. Add them to salads for a quick protein boost. They're a simple, affordable, and highly bioavailable source of essential building blocks for strong legs. Food 5, berries and citrus fruits. Vitamin C powerhouses, our fifth and final category, while not direct sources of collagen, are absolutely non-negotiable for anyone looking to rebuild strong legs and support anti-aging. Berries and citrus fruits. Why they're fantastic for youthful legs. Vitamin C superstars, this is their main superpower. Vitamin C is an essential cofactor for collagen synthesis. Your body literally cannot form stable collagen without it. It's like the glue that holds the collagen fibers together. Without sufficient vitamin C, even if you consume plenty of collagen precursors, your body can't build new, strong collagen. Antioxidant powerhouses, both berries. Especially blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, grapefruit, are packed with antioxidants like vitamin C and various polyphenol. These compounds fight free radicals and reduce oxidative stress throughout the body, including in muscles and joints, protecting them from age-related damage and inflammation. This helps your muscles and joints recover faster and function better. Hydration and overall health. They contribute to hydration and provide a wide array of vitamins and minerals that support overall health, energy, and immune function, which indirectly contributes to your ability to stay active and strengthen your legs. How to incorporate. Start your day with a handful of berries in your oatmeal or yogurt. Add a squeeze of lemon or orange to your water. Enjoy a grapefruit as a snack. Include bell peppers, also very high in vitamin C, in your savory meals. Aim for 1 to 2 servings of these vitamin C-rich fruits daily to ensure optimal collagen production and antioxidant protection for your legs and overall body. Putting it all together, beyond food, so there you have it, 5 incredibly powerful food categories that can help you rebuild strong, resilient legs after 60 by providing essential collagen, its building blocks, and crucial cofactors. Remember, consistency is key. Make these foods a regular part of your diet. However, it's vital to emphasize that food is only one piece of the puzzle. To truly rebuild and maintain leg strength after 60, you must combine these dietary strategies with progressive resistance exercise. Strength training stimulates your muscles to grow and adapt, making the protein and collagen you consume even more effective. Consult with a physical therapist or certified trainer for a safe and effective exercise plan. Hydration is also crucial. Drink plenty of water to keep your joints lubricated and all bodily functions optimal. Empowering yourself with knowledge about nutrition and movement can truly transform your experience of aging. By integrating these collagen-packed foods into your daily routine and coupling them with consistent resistance training, you can actively work to rebuild weak legs, reduce joint discomfort, and maintain your independence for years to come. It's about taking proactive steps to nourish your body and live your fullest life. If you found this video insightful and empowering, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family who are also looking to boost their strength and vitality. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell for more science-backed health and wellness tips. Your support helps us continue to bring you valuable content. Thank you for watching, and here's to your strong, vibrant legs. Stay well.